How to preview your tax return online on H&R Block. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in hrblock.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of H&R Block. Now over here, you will find this login section. You'll need to provide your H&R Block account's credentials to log into your account. So go ahead and type in your username, email, or mobile number. I'm gonna type in my email address. Once you type in, you'll need to click on the option of sign in. In the case you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option and register for your H&R Block account. After you fill this, click on sign in. Now in this page, you'll need to type in your password. Once you type in that, click on the option of sign in. And with that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you should see an option to continue or access your current tax return. Click on the option to open your tax return for the 2024 tax year. Then navigate through your tax return using the menu or prompts provided by H&R Block. Review each section of your return to ensure that all information is accurate and complete. Then look for a specific option or button labeled Preview or Preview Return within the H&R Block online interface. This feature allows you to view your tax return exactly as it will appear when filed with IRS. While previewing your tax return, carefully review each section, form, and entry for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your tax return and have reviewed it, you can proceed to file electronically through H&R Block online. Follow the prompts to submit your return to the IRS. By following these steps, you will be able to preview your tax return online on H&R. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.